What if I told you a pickup from 1965 could double as your house? Long before Instagram made #vanlife a thing. Stick around, because this Chevy C20 with an Ioni-A-Home camper is living proof. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you back to 1965 when trucks were built with steel thicker than my neighbor Gary's excuses for not helping me move. What we've got here is a single-family-owned Chevrolet C20, fitted with the legendary Ioni-A-Home camper. Back then, this was the dream machine, bought new at Berger Motor Sales in Ionia, Michigan, and upgraded almost immediately to become both pickup and home on wheels. I think that's the kind of efficiency even my old boss could respect. Before I roll deeper into this story, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next time we find a camper that makes modern RVs look like cheap motel rooms on wheels. Now, under the hood you'll find a replacement 327 cubic inch V8, 5.4 liters. It's paired with a 4-speed synchro mesh manual and a rear axle geared at 4.11:1. I believe that gearing was perfect for hauling the camper and still slow enough to give you time to wave at everyone while going uphill. The rig rides on 16-inch steel wheels wrapped in 9.0016 Michelin tires. Though, let's be honest, they're so cracked and dry-rotted they look like the desert outside Reno. Braking comes courtesy of power-assisted drums at all 4 corners, plus a Kelsey Hayes trailer brake controller that, according to the seller, is as untested as my buddy Dave's marriage counseling skills. The truck's exterior is finished in Fawn with a white roof, grille, and bumper. There's a front spare tire carrier cleverly made from a wheel hub, tow mirrors, and a rear bumper with a hitch. Inside the cab, you'll find a bench seat in vinyl and cloth, lap belts added later, and an Oldsmobile-branded push-button AM radio. The odometer shows just 41,000 miles, though at this age, I think it's safe to say it's seen more than a few camping trips. Step into the Ioni-A-Home camper shell, and it's pure 1960s charm. Wood paneling, an over-cab loft, heater, skylight, jalousie windows, light fixtures, and barn-style rear doors. A side door was cut into the bedside. And yes, the original cutout piece still comes with the truck, just in case you feel like patching history back together. It's cozy, practical, and proof that people were living the van life decades before Instagram made it trendy. This piece of rolling nostalgia sold at auction in September 2023 for $12,430, about 11,700 euros. Back in 1964, the delivery invoice showed a total price of $2,674. That means if you bought it new and held on to it until now, you got yourself a camper that appreciated like fine bourbon. And remember, folks, if you want to help us keep finding rigs like this instead of eating instant noodles every night, you can sponsor our channel for just $1. That's less than a gas station hot dog, and the link's right under the video.